What if I told you? T here is an AI code editor that can write entire features for you, fix bugs on autopilot, and make you twice as productive, even if you are not a developer. I have been using Cursor AI for 3 months, and today I am going to show you exactly how to set it up and use it like a pro. No coding experience required. Cursor AI is a code editor built on top of VS Code, but with powerful AI features baked right in. Think of it as VS Code on steroids. It has 3 killer features that set it apart from everything else. First, Composer this. Let us you describe what you want to build in plain English, and Cursor writes the code for you across multiple files simultaneously. Second, AI chat. Instead of switching to chat GPT every time you are stuck, you get an AI assistant right inside your editor that actually understands your entire code base. Third, tab completion. As you type, Cursor predicts what you are going to write next, and it is frighteningly accurate. It does not just auto-complete single words. It completes entire functions and logic blocks. Whether you are a seasoned developer or someone who has never written a line of code, Cursor can seriously change how you work. Let us start from scratch. Go to cursor.com and download the installer. It works on Mac, Windows, and Linux. Installation takes about 2 minutes. It is just like installing any other app. Once you open Cursor, here is the magic. It asks if you want to import your VS Code extensions and settings. If you already use VS Code, click Yes, and everything transfers over seamlessly. Your themes, your key bindings, your extensions all preserved. If you do not use VS Code, no worries, Cursor works great, out of the box, with sensible defaults. Now, the most important setup step, connecting your AI provider. Cursor supports multiple AI models. You can use GPT, -40, Flow.5 Sonnet, or Cursor's own proprietary model called Cursor Small. I recommend starting with Claude 3.5 Sonnet for coding tasks. It is currently the best model for writing and understanding code. You get a free trial with limited usage, and then it is $20 per month for unlimited access. The subscription also gives you access to all models, so you can switch between them depending on the task. Open any project folder in Cursor and press Command+L on Mac or Control on Windows. This opens the AI chat panel on the right side. This is your coding brain trust. Here is what makes it different from regular chat GPT. It automatically reads your entire project. When you ask a question, Cursor knows which files exist, what functions are defined, and how everything connects. Try asking something like, how does the authentication system work in this project? And it will trace through your files and give you a detailed explanation with specific code references. You can also highlight any piece of code and press Command to ask the AI to explain it, refactor it, or add comments. Need to add error handling to a function. Select it. Press Command, type Add Error Handling, and Cursor rewrites the function with proper try-catch blocks and error messages. It even references the specific error types your project uses. Pro tip: use the @ symbol followed by a file name, like @utils.ts, to tell Cursor to focus on a specific file when answering. This gives you much more precise responses than a general question. This is Cursor's most powerful feature, and it is the reason I switched from VS Code permanently. Press Command+E to open Composer. Instead of editing one file at a time, you describe what you want in natural language, and Cursor creates or modifies multiple files at once. Let me give you a real example. I typed add a dark mode toggle to the navigation bar that saves the user's preference to local storage and applies the theme to all pages. Cursor created a new theme file, modified the navigation component, updated the main app file to apply the theme on startup, and added the CSS classes for dark mode, all in one shot. 4 files changed, 0 manual editing. The code worked on the first try. Here is the workflow. You write your request. Cursor shows you a difference of every change it wants to make. You review each change, and then you accept or reject. You are always in control. It is like having a senior developer pair programming with you. If you do not like a suggestion, you can iterate. Just tell Cursor what to change, and it updates the code for non-developers. This is game-changing because you can build real applications by describing what you want instead of writing code yourself. The third superpower is tab completion. As you type code, Cursor shows ghost text in gray. It's prediction of what you are about to write. When the prediction is right, just press tab to accept it. This sounds simple, but Cursor's completions are on another level. It does not just complete variable names. It completes entire logic blocks. Type a function name and a comment describing what it should do, and Cursor will write the entire function body. Type a SQL query comment like get all users who signed up last month, and it writes the complete query. A few productivity tips to maximize Cursor. First, write clear comments before your code. Cursor uses them as instructions for better completions. Second, use the keyboard shortcut Command+Shift to access all Cursor commands quickly. Third, install the Cursor Rules extension. It lets you create a .cursor rules file in your project that tells the AI your coding preferences, like always use TypeScript, prefer functional components, or use Tailwind for styling. This makes every AI response perfectly tailored to your project. Should you switch to Cursor AI? If you write code in any capacity, yes. The free trial lets you test everything, and the $20 monthly subscription is less than 1 hour of developer time. Even if it saves you just 2 hours per week, that is an 80-to-1 return on investment. For non-developers who want to build things without learning to code, Cursor combined with AI models is the closest thing to magic I have seen. You describe what you want, and it builds it. For experienced developers, it eliminates the tedious parts of coding, boilerplate, debugging, refactoring, and lets you focus on architecture and creative problem solving. Cursor is not just another AI tool. It is a fundamentally different way to create software. Have you tried Cursor AI yet? Drop a comment and tell me what you built with it. I read every single one. If this tutorial helped you, hit that subscribe button, because I am publishing AI tool, tutorials, and comparisons every single week. You can download Cursor for free using the link in the description. This has been Patapo. I will see you in the next one.